fly. All my old friends saying ain't nothing new.
Hello lovelies, hello. Welcome back. So this is part 2 of the previous video. I showed you how I washed and bleached the knots and customized it. Now I am going to install it. As you see me doing here, I already have my wig cap on. The edges have already been laid and slayed. So I am going to use the Got2b gel because I didn't want to use glue, because my goal is to just put it on and be able to take it off after a couple of days. So here I am applying the gel, and after applying the gel I'm going to go ahead and get my blow dryer. So apply the gel. You want to apply it thoroughly, and I think I applied about 2 to 3 layers if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, I'm very concentrated and I'm going to blow dry it. And you have to blow dry it until the layer that you just applied gets tacky. So I'm speeding it up here, waiting for the layer to get tacky. And do you guys see that highlight? Anyways, back to the video. Blow dry until it gets tacky. And this is it can be time consuming, so just even though the video is sped up, you will be, standing there for a long time blow drying your hair, because if you don't do it right, the lace will lift. So I am going to spray some glue, some Got2b glue, the infamous Got2b glue, and I'm going to blow dry that as well. Now the reason I did this is because we do not want any of our business out in the streets. So I put the wig on and I am basically blow drying it into place.
We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22. Saving our money. I'm saving our money.
I must say those edges are nice. So here it is. I am going to use my spray bottle to wet the hair, and I'm also going to apply some leave-in conditioner to bring out the curls more. This unit, for some reason, a lot of people thought that it was my hair, and I don't blame them because my natural hair actually does look like this. So yeah, so we're gonna spray it down, dampen it up, and apply some conditioner. And that's basically it. One thing I like about curly units is you don't really have to do much to it because the work is already done. So all you have to do is spray it and make sure you keep it moisturized, because we don't need or want to be looking high and dry and like who did it and why. So here is the unit. There's my part.
So low, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe.
You see, I'm feeling myself at this point. So here is the final result. I'm going to go ahead and do a 360. As you can see, stiff wear. It's the hair for me. And that's basically it, you guys. It does not require a lot as opposed to a straight unit. So I'm going to flex. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this video with your friends and family. I really appreciate you for stopping back by. I will insert some short video clips that I took, and also some pictures at the end of the video, so go ahead and stay tuned for that, and I will see you all in the next video.
As long as we stay together, come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that You know it, oh, you make me laugh. You like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money.